fun. Crazy Bangkok. Walking outside is like walking into a hot, humid oven. Just a wave of heat hits you.
And it's super loud here.
And it's super loud here. As my son says, we are out and about. Whoa. Yes, here we are. Walking on the sidewalk. Gotta watch out for motorcycles.
The motorcycles are loud.
Very loud. Okay, we're gonna play a game of Frogger now. We're gonna try crossing these crazy streets in Bangkok. Just like the game of Frogger.
And it's still very loud here.
When you're in Thailand, you gotta keep hydrated, so you always gotta have something to drink. Fortunately, it is super easy. In this case, I am having a Fuku matcha. It's a place from Kyoto that specializes in green tea drinks. Yummy. Oh, I think my son just drank it all. Get another one. So I'm eating at the, I believe the Siam Center food court, which is a typical shopping mall food court. In this case, all Thai food vendors, and well, basically Thai and Chinese. So you can see the tom yum, no, pad Thai vendor over there, curry rice, tom yum noodle, Thai stir-fried rice noodle. So unlike the shopping malls in the US where there's McDonald's and hot dogs and semi-fritties and hot pizza, this is all Thai food. All right, I'm gonna start my lunch early with one of my favorite dish, which is oyster omelette. In this case, it's a giant one for 80 baht over at Siam. And crunchy, yeah. This is the biggest plate I've ever seen, and it's only 80 baht, which is about 250, 275 US.
And if you don't want to finish, don't finish, Daddy.
Oh, I'll finish it. Mmm. Mmm. That is yummy. Mmm.
What is it? Crunchy?
So yummy. Got all the oysters and all the crunchy goodness. A little bit of bean sprout in there. Mm-hmm. It's my first real meal in Thailand.
And it's yummy.
And it's one of the best. One of my favorite dishes. Along with pig's feet over with rice. Might try that later. This is so yummy.
Daddy, look at that coffee. Welcome to
Thai style chicken fried rice for Dylan.
Daddy.
Very yummy.
I'm taking
Very yummy.
what we do.
That's typical in Thai food when you order with no spice. They're still a bit heavy-handed with the black pepper. I ordered the fried rice for my son saying no spicy, but I guess it's a reflex to be a little bit heavy-handed with the black pepper and white pepper. So ends up a little bit spicy for him anyways, and I noticed it too if you're not used to it. And for a typical Thai dessert, got these little bowls in with the crushed ice. Some of my favorite. This just helps cool us down during the hot weather. Yeah, I always order these. Looks like little green worms, doesn't it? With coconut milk and crushed ice. And my son Dylan chose the 3 items with lots of crushed ice. Yummy. Very cheap, about $1.25, $1.50 each.